Do you know quick commerce is growing 10 times faster than traditional e-commerce? It is reshaping retail. 75% of customers today want their deliveries within 30 minutes. This is where our proposed solution, StoreSense, comes in. It leverages quick commerce by simplifying where and how to set up dark stores. It helps in identifying potential areas to open dark stores based on various parameters. It uses AI for trend analysis to know what is hot right now and what is not, helping in stock optimization. It also helps to identify the nearest warehouses in case of empty inventory. Here, we can find the potential dark store locations. Firstly, the cities are divided into different tiers. We are considering that Mumbai has 5 active stores based on mock data, but we can always import data using this option. So the AI has suggested 5 stores. This is the calculated data of the stores. Here we have different circles located on the map, with the green representing the existing stores and the yellow depicting the potential dark store locations. So here the deep learning model uses various parameters like of course the existing stores, the area which it covers, the population, footfall, economy of that area, etc. This page is used for stock optimization where we have the overview of the stock. This is the important part where it shows the trends. For example, iPhone 15 Pro Max and also the objects which are having a declining trend according to which the warehouse can stock its inventory. We also have AI recommendations. Here, all the stock related data is stored. For example, the details of the inventory. This shows where to reduce the stock and where to increase the stock, further optimizing the storage. This page shows what impact one will have if they implement the dark stores suggested. Firstly, we have the list of priorities according to the different details. And here we have the information which we have used in the model. For example, we have the population, then we have income, and also the expected delivery time. These cards can be used to know more about the expected stores and their impact.
This is the ML model flowchart with parameters and sources. This is the trend analysis flowchart.